What if you could script and modify your Power BI semantic models without leaving your browser? Introducing the preview of TMDL View on the web, a code-first modeling experience that lets developers view, edit, and apply changes to published semantic models directly in the browser. No downloads, no switching to Power BI desktop, and no need for external tools. Here's what you need to know. Explore your semantic model metadata. Get greater visibility into the objects and properties within your published semantic models, including advanced settings that aren't available in the standard modeling interface. Script individual objects directly in the browser to understand your model structure faster and work with greater transparency. Accelerate development with a modern code editor. Use built-in IntelliSense, multi-line editing, search and replace, and other features to make bulk changes more efficiently. You can even use AI tools, such as GitHub Copilot, to help generate or modify TMDL scripts before previewing and applying them in Power BI. Modify semantic model properties directly. Edit objects and properties directly in your browser, including advanced configurations, such as partition definitions and is available in MDX. This gives developers greater control over semantic models without needing to download files or switch between tools. Reuse and share model components. Share TMDL scripts to make semantic model objects easier to reuse across projects. For example, you can copy a calendar table's TMDL script from another model or a TMDL gallery, paste it into your target model, preview the changes, and apply them. Recover changes with version history. Make changes with greater confidence, knowing that web-edited semantic models support version history. Save versions directly from TMDL View on the web, review previous versions, and restore an earlier version when needed. Get started with TMDL View on the web. TMDL View on the web brings a flexible, code-first approach to semantic modeling directly into the Power BI service. Whether you're making targeted metadata updates, reusing model components, or managing larger modeling changes, you can now work directly from your browser. Ready to explore it? Open a workspace, select a semantic model, and switch to TMDL View to start working with your model as code. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.